Hello student, today we are going to solve some question related to quadratic equation. Question is, find the values of k so that a quadratic equation, first x square minus 4kx plus equal to 0, second kx into x minus 2 plus equal to 0, and the third question 4x square plus kx plus equal to 0 has equal roots. Actually there are three questions and we have to find the value of k for equal roots. So here we solve first question. So write the solution. The given quadratic equation is x square minus 4kx plus k is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 4k and c equal to a. For equal roots, for real and equal roots, we know that d equal to 0, where d is the discriminant of the given quadratic equation, and further d is equal to, you know that b square minus 4ac, so it becomes b square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now putting the value of a is here the value of is minus 4k, so it becomes minus 4k whole square minus 4, and a is 1, 4 into 1, 6k equal to 0. So after solving we have minus square plus 4 is plus 16, k square minus 4k equal to 0. Here we see that 4k is common, so I am taking 4k common in both terms. It gives 4k minus 1 equal to 0. Now 4k into 4k minus 1 equal to 0. This implies that 4k equal to 0 or 4k minus 1 equal to 0. But we know that 4k not equal to 0, because 4k is 0, it means k is equal to 0, and whenever k is equal to 0, then it becomes x square equal to 0. So it is not possible. So here only 4k is 4k minus 1 equal to 0, or 4k is equal to 1, or k is equal to 1 by. So our solution is k is equal to 1 by. Thank you. Question number 2. Find the values of k so that the quadratic equation has equal roots and the equation is kx into x minus 2 plus x equal to 0. Now, first we have to write the question. The given equation is kx into x minus 2 plus x equal to 0. Or open the bracket. Then we have kx square minus 2kx plus x equal to 0. Here we see that this is the quadratic equation, and we know that the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So I am comparing this equation with the standard form. We have a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k, and constant term c equal to 6. Now we know that for equal roots we have d equal to 0 or d square minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. Further, minus of square gives plus 2k whole square gives 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Now we see that 4k is common in both expressions, so we have 4k common, k minus 6 equal to 0. This implies that 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. Here we see that if 4k is equal to 0, if this implies k is equal to 0, if k is equal to 0, then equation becomes 6 equal to 0, which is not possible. So we can say that 4k is equal to 0 is not possible. So our solution is k is equal to 6. So this is required
Go.
Now question number third. Find the value of k so that the quadratic equation which is 4x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0 has equal roots. So write the solution. The given equation is 4x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient x square is 4, so a is equal to 4. The coefficient of x is k, so b equal to k, and the constant term c is equal to 3. Now we know that for equal and real roots we have b is equal to 0. Further b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So putting the value of a, b, c, we have k square minus 4 into 4 into 3 is equal to 0, or k square is equal to 4 into 4 into 3, or k is equal to plus minus under root 4 into 4 into 3. So here we have k is equal to plus minus 4 under root 3. So this is our required solution. The value of k is 4 under root 3 or k is equal to minus 4 under root 3.